Let's dive into a case that drew a line in the sand for government power in India. It all started with one family's fight for their land, asking a question that affects all of us. The story starts with the Golaknath brothers. They owned a massive 500-acre farm in Punjab. But then, a new state law said the government could take most of it, leaving them a fraction. And here's the thing. The Supreme Court had already said Parliament could even change fundamental rights twice. But the Golaknath family fought back. They took their case all the way to the Supreme Court. This put two key parts of the Constitution on a collision course with each other. So the whole thing boiled down to one question. Is a constitutional amendment actually a law? This was such a big deal, the Supreme Court formed its largest bench ever, 11 judges, to decide. And in 1967, the verdict came in. It was incredibly close, a 6-5 split decision. And in a total reversal, the court said, nope, Parliament cannot touch your fundamental rights. Their logic was straightforward. An amendment is a law, and a law can't take away fundamental rights. Now, to avoid causing chaos, the court made a clever move. This ruling would only apply going forward. This was huge. For the first time, the judiciary put a clear limit on Parliament's power. But you can guess what happened next. The fight was far from over. Parliament wasn't happy. So Parliament hit back with the 24th Amendment, basically trying to undo the court's entire decision. And that move by Parliament, it set the stage for an even bigger showdown just a few years later. So the Golaknath case leaves us thinking, who should have the final say on a nation's soul?